Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me today and welcome to today's session. My name is Tanis Hussain and I'm the Digital Marketing Manager here at MobiCommerce. And if still some attendees are on idle mode, may I please ask everybody's attention. You can show me your presence by raising your hands from the attendees panel. While I'm getting hands raised, would like to especially thank to our attendees joining from North and South America because it's early in the morning there. I've also got an update that few attendees have joined from Australia, so would thanks to everybody joining this webinar. And yes, I think now I got enough hands raised and I think we can start now. So we are sure that this webinar is going to be worthy for everyone. So yes, we can start now. For those of you joining us now, I welcome once again. Thank you. So let's begin today. And today I'm going to talk a little bit about a future of mCommerce and the product offerings and of MobiCommerce, about how we quick app building facility and easy to manage admin panel. We will also talk more about how you can customize and manage our application from your backend module itself. We'll also check, but before we start, would like to share a few interesting things about MobiCommerce. MobiCommerce is actually a leading ready-to-publish mobile app platform, and we build Android and iOS shopping application within just 48 hours. No coding skills required, no developer hiring. And as a product, MobiCommerce is a 3-year-old venture which is backed by Rightway Solution comprising many industry leaders. And Rightway Solution started off in the year of 2003 and served many merchants in web and e-commerce industry as a development. Today we are servicing merchants worldwide with our successful software products, and MobiCommerce being one of them. So now we will quickly check shift of e-commerce towards mCommerce. We'll also check advantages of mCommerce over e-commerce, and we'll check few interesting facts about mCommerce. And in all of this, how is MobiCommerce associated with mCommerce? So let's start, and allow me to explain how actually e-commerce is shifting towards the mCommerce. I'll start with one easy question, and that question is that wouldn't it sound reasonable if I say that carrying a smartphone is much important as wearing shoes when walking out? Indeed, it's true, because mobile devices have transformed the way we perform our day-to-day activities and how we communicate to consumers and companies alike. And also the entire global mCommerce economy has been anticipated to reach $100 billion US by this year. I believe this is all happening because mCommerce has no topographical boundaries, has concrete and excellent business opportunities to achieve over the e-commerce ROI. It also offers you on-the-fly shopping facility, and of course we should never forget that now we are in, and it's completely a mobile-first era. So we just saw that why e-commerce is quickly shifting towards mCommerce. Now I'll showcase some helpful facts about mCommerce. Right. In a country like Japan, 89% of Japanese consumers purchase online using their mobile device, and the population of Japan is nearly 120 million. So more than 100 million shop through their smartphone. The same ratio in UK is 45%. In entire European zone, 20% of smartphone users use their device for shopping. Now I'll share some general facts about mCommerce. Like by this year, by 2017, about 70% of online buyers will make a purchase on mobile devices. And 70% of retailers plan to invest in mCommerce right this year. There are over 1.2 billion people accessing the web from their mobile device. Another interesting fact that says that 57% of users won't recommend a business with a poorly designed website. And according to the Google survey, 41% have turned to the competitor's website because of the bad mobile experience. And I'm sharing another fact which is by industry leading, and it says that if your mobile version, every 100 millisecond increase in load time, that will decrease your sales by 10%. Now, the last fact, which is also coming from Google, that says that not having a mobile optimized device, not having a mobile optimized website is like a closing your store one day each week. So far we have checked how and why e-commerce is quickly moving towards mCommerce with some obvious facts and advantages. We will now see where MobiCommerce stands in the world of mCommerce and how we can help you to achieve a better mobile business. MobiCommerce is actually a complete mobile mCommerce solution, from building shopping mobile apps to progressive web apps, mobile website. Later we'll go in details about our entire product offering and services as well. We quickly create Android and iOS shopping apps with enterprise level features to immediately boost your sales. Within just last 3 years, we have built more than 5,000 of apps. And yes, our apps are completely secured and encrypted, as there is no middleware used. This is to make your every mobile transaction completely secure. We also offer industry expertise consultancy to help you gauge the market and strategize accordingly. With our trusted and proven solution, we are serving more than 40 countries. With this, we do contribute and develop mCommerce community through our robust platform. So as a merchant, if you want to build your own app, if you want to build your own shopping app for your website, what are the core challenges involved? So for any merchant, I believe in this immense competition, it's much challenging building an app which can offer interactive UI, which can offer acceptable UX, performance, and very important, seamless connectivity with the website, integration with your website, and security as well. And on top of this, it's very important that this all should be under the budget and in the appropriate timeline, because you can't afford to spend many months and many bucks to get your shopping app. So we understand these challenges. That's why we have built this resilient platform. With MobiCommerce, you get full-fledged shopping mobile app quickly and affordably. Now it's time to go to the MobiCommerce product tour and to see how our app actually look like and how easily you can manage it from your website admin panel itself. So let me show you that. So this is MobiCommerce application. You can see this is the logo where you will get your own logo here. This is the banner and shopping category as well. You can see that. This is the complete homepage. Would like to show you the product listing page of our app. So this is the listing page. Filters, sortings, cart, checkout page, user menu, CMS pages will be here. Now you can see that I'm using phone and controlling on the screen, so you can see what our app experiences actually look like. So now assume that this is your application, which is seamlessly and completely connected with your website, and this app will be 100% synced with your website. I mean to say all of your inventories, customers, categories, products, discount rules, shipping methods will be fully synced with the app automatically. With all of this, there is no dependency. You can control your app directly from your admin panel, hosted on your server only, and manage through directly your store admin panel. All right, so I think now I should show you how you can manage it from the backend panel of your own website. Let's assume that this is your admin module. I'm gonna go and show you the backend module and a little bit about our design and how and where you make each of this happen. All right. So this is the typical backend module of any website, a Magento website. I'll make some changes in the backend and we'll show you how they propagate across the application. So you can see in the right of the screen, this is the application. This is the overview of app, the general setting. General setting will let you control your application when you will be submitting your application in Play or App Store. Now the color scheme. The color scheme, you can directly control it from here, and let me show you about changing one of the color scheme. At the moment you can see that I'm using the orange color scheme. I'm going and I'm going to change it to any other color, let's say green. And you can also see that there is a secondary color, deep orange, discount and rating colors, and below you can see this color scheme for iOS. So you can have a different app in for iOS and application with different color scheme. I'm going to change it to green, and I'll also show you where these secondary color and discount rating colors exist. So just click on save. Fine. So let me just refresh my app so that you can see the reflection in the application. Right. You can see that it's a green now. Now, as I said, I'll show you that where these secondary and discount rating colors are. Right. You can see that this is the deep orange, and the discount color will be the green. It should be here. Fine. So now let me take you through the advanced settings of MobiCommerce manual. And it's really advanced because it lets you control your features directly from the admin panel without any kind of coding. So which kind of uh, features we allow you to control from the admin module, which that I would like to show you. So you can see that at the moment I have just disabled the trading feature. That's the reason we were not able to see that in that application. And these are the list actually. I'm just clicking it yes for writing feature and enabling the wishlist feature as well, and I'll reload my application. Will show you the reflection how these settings will be there in the application by after just clicking on save button. Now these are the all the settings. Even this listing page, you can see that you can have a default listing page as a grid if you want. Now just to show you, I'm just going to save the setting. And I'll refresh my app. So you can see that wish list feature is there and rating is here. So this is the rating color. Now the most interesting and important part of MobiCommerce backend module, it's homepage widgets. We also call it a layout editor. This feature will allow you to manage your complete application homepage without developer, without technical assistant, and you can just assume it's a blank canvas and you can draw whatever you want to draw with the help of our widget system. It will work for homepage, for complete application homepage. So this is the homepage, and which kind of changes you can make with the help of our homepage widgets, that you can see that these all are the types of widgets. At the moment we have used many default widgets here. You can have your own widgets as well. So this is the top banner. You can change the images of the banner. I would like to show you something interesting here, because you can see that listing of this category is at the moment list. I would like to change it to the another view. Let's say slider. Right, you can see that now the category view has been changed. It's sliding now. Now just below we are using another widget which is very beautiful actually. You can see that categories, and below the categories, back to the category, you can see the images. So the images which you have uploaded on your Magento categories, it will be reflected here. So you can have a beautiful interface for your category widget as well. Now another widget I would like to show you, that is the image widgets, which allows you to upload any image and you can deep link that image to any product or category or any subcategory. So I've uploaded one image here. You can see that already. Now I'm just going to make it status as a yes, and just let me click it, save. So this is the image. You can see that men's fashion. Now just click here and you can have a link, deep link that. Fine. So this was a quick feature introduction about homepage widgets. Let me show you which kind of widgets you can add on the homepage. So this is image slider. You can see that image slider widget. This is the image slider widget. Now category widgets. You can I've just explained about this category widgets, and you can have a category view as per your wish. Like at the moment I'm using slider, and also the banner view as well. And product listing. These are the product blocks listing. You can have a new arrival, you can thought deals, even you can put a new product listing as well. Now very interesting is image widget. Just upload your beautiful image and deep link it with category or subcategory, and with this way you can have a complete control on your home page. Now your company details, you can mention it here under the contact us form. It's gonna be here. Now you can link your social pages right from here, and you don't need to create a separate CMS pages. You just click your checkbox your existing website CMS page, and it's gonna reflect in the application here. Right. Now Google Analytics. I think this is very important because Google Analytics is widely used analytics, and which allows you to track and report traffic, and it's completely integrated with MobiCommerce as a default feature. Just put your analytics code here and click on save button. That's it. Now I'm going to show you the push notification, and actually the push notification can be the most productive feature of any merchant, owing to the fact that it allows you to enter you directly in customer's device. And one interesting fact about push notification is that apps that send push notifications have retention rates more than 7x than those that don't send push notifications. So compared to email, segmented push notifications have a click-through rate more than 5 times higher. Fine. So here we allow you to manage the push notification. You can send push notification as per the types of device, Android and iOS. Even you can send push notifications specifically to any particular store, then adding messages. Now this is something, a very advanced feature under the push notification. If you want to send push notification to a specific group of customer, you can manage it from here. You can choose it. Or if you want to send push notification even to the individual customer, you can choose it from here. So now would like to show you something about how you can manage labels and messages. Actually, this feature will allow you to manage your application in multi languages. So if you are if your website is running on dual languages like Spanish and English, so for that this feature is going to be useful. So you can easily turn your existing application in any language, in multi language, I mean to say. Now here you can manage the app cache management, and by default MobiCommerce supports dual caching system to allow you to give you the better performance of the application. So it's so amazing and easy to build and manage your own mobile apps with MobiCommerce. With this, actually MobiCommerce is a platform which is built inside the platform of Magento or PrestaShop. So let's see now in brief what you get when you subscribe with MobiCommerce, when you are on a platform of MobiCommerce. Let's see. So you get fastest delivery with a ready to publish service, live enterprise mobile app within just 48 hours. You get 100% synced app with your website, and remember, there is no middleware used. You also get white label branding, as we do not use your app to market ourselves. You get app with fully customizable access without coding experience and easy to design homepage and category landing pages. And we provide you 30 days full free preview with your website in just 15 minutes. You can set these things from yourself. It's so easy. Just install extension and you can have a preview of MobiCommerce app. By default, MobiCommerce provide 2000 plus features. So with this, how we cater our merchant with our easy to understand plans and services. We provide customization service as well. If you want application with customization, you can share your business customization requirement with us, and we'll offer you the customized application as per your business need. We do offer complete maintenance of the application. So with MobiCommerce, your app will be under complete maintenance, and you will get, and your application will be we'll keep your application fresh and updated always with our annual maintenance contract. And all the debugging, support fixings will be there also as well. So if you're a store owner, if you want an app, then you can go with our Android and iOS application. But if you are just a business owner, if you want to start on a mobile platform, then we do assist you. We'll offer you the app-only system where you can start your business directly with our app-only model. Or if you wanted to start with complete website and application, then we do have an option for that as well. We will assist you and we'll build your website and we'll build your MobiCommerce apps for Android and iOS as well. So let's jump into the most interesting part of this webinar, that is Q&A session, question and answer. I'm really much excited to hear your questions. So kindly use your attendees panel to post your questions now. I got a first question actually, and he wants to know, actually the name of person is Darak. He wants to know about something about the color scheme. And he's asking a question, it looks interactive, what's the things going on behind the scenes. So let me tell you, it looks very interactive and very beautiful because we have used material design, and material design is actually uh, Google's material design, which is created and designed by Google. And it's a design language that combines the classic principle of successful design, and material design develops a system of design that delivers a unified user experience across the entire mobile platform. And I would say it's important because interface is brand and design is everything, I believe so. And yes, we have fully integrated material design with MobiCommerce by default so that your app will look good, beautiful, and you can attract your customers easily. I hope that I've well answered your question, Tarak. Fine. All right. I'm getting another question, and the question is that uh, he's asking about, do you support push notification, and is there any limitation in the push notification? I just explained we support advanced push notification, and yes, by default you can send unlimited push notification. There are no such restriction. You can send push notification to your customers uh, unlimited. It's your wish. All right. If anybody else would like to ask a question, please post. All right, a question coming and saying that how many images you support on your app homepage. So we support unlimited images. There is no restriction, but recommended is that you have an image, 3 to 4 image in the slider so that your app look good. This is what every shopping app does actually. So it's recommended that you use the 3 to 4 images in your banner of the application. Otherwise, there is no such restrictions. And again, a new question coming from Mr. Divan. He's asking that he wants to install extension, and what about the mobile app? All right, Abdul Rahman, it's so easy. All you need to just download our small extension that is available on our website publicly. Even after this webinar, I'll forward this to our concerned team, and they will give you all the details about the same, and you will get complete guidelines on your email about how to install our extension and to preview MobiCommerce apps. And it's so quick, it won't take more than 15 minutes. Much questions, so what we'll do, we'll take this through our emailing system, and I'm taking all the questions right here, and we'll forward to the our client acquisition team so that they can directly contact you. All right, I should answer the last question as well. Any speed issue in apps, so many users using? All right, this is actually a very nice question, Satish, I would say, because app speed is very much important, but please, that you have to understand that our app is completely synced and connected with your own website and hosting. So the application performance and speed is completely depend on your hosting and on your internet speed. There are multi factors involved in the app speed, but let me tell you, we have used the dual caching system in our application to provide you even better experience for app speed. So I'm sure we haven't heard any issue so far with our offering of our application regarding the speed. So yeah, you can go ahead, you can try our extension with your website to get personalized experience about how app is performing with your hosting. So it's better that you try with your own website. I will also give you the guideline about how to install extension. But thanks for your question, Satish. All right. So as I said, I'm just taking note of all the questions. We'll get back to you through email. We'll give you the well answered by our email. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you have enjoyed why merchants are using apps and why merchants are choosing MobiCommerce. So you will receive a copy of this webinar on your registered email. If you also like to talk to our sales executive, feel free to go to our website at www.mobicommerce.net. And thank you again for joining this webinar. Have a wonderful day.